install these Beltline weather strippings on this 87 Chevy truck. This style is real easy. The clips come pre-installed in the rubber and they line up directly with the holes in the car. So you can see we have the inner and the outer belt lines right here. The outer has the lip that you always see, it's for deflecting the water. And the inner actually has a lip that comes out from the bottom. So I'll show you how to install both of these. The tab here and the hole that it's going to go into here. So just this middle prong is what's going to slide in there, and it just clips right in. And we will go down the line here and do the same thing all the way down. Make sure it's seated all the way. And it's that easy to do the outer. Now that we have our run channel in and our outer belt line, we can install our inner belt line. And our inner belt line installs right on this door panel. Just like the outer, it's installed with these clips. And the clips have a little space in them that fits over this ledge on the door panel. And you can see where the holes are and that the clips line up. And basically you just have to line up the holes, place the clip on the inside of that lip I just showed you, and press up. You can hear it lock into place, and that's installed. So now we're ready to put this back on the door and finish the job up. And if you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button so you can get more how-to videos.